2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.